So guys, I've decided to use this driller because I can never get this 100% correct. I thought maybe this will drill better and straight down and all that business. This kind of holds it very firm indeed. So here we go. So guys, I tried to make it with this material, and I think it's soft iron, but it just wasn't smooth enough, and it kept going down to where it's easily fitting. So I tried brass. I've tried the brass a few times now, but this one I slowly brought it down, and I think it's the best I'm going to get, guys. I'm gonna hold on to that now because that's the best I'm gonna get. I'm gonna use a 3.6 drill. Sorry about that. That's a paint. Yeah. I found this lovely piece of brass, 1¼ inches, only 1½ only to make the crankshaft. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to use this and see how it goes. So this is it, guys. Took me a long while to do this. This one's a little bit wonky because I cut it a little bit wrong there, but it'll work. And these are loose at the moment. I'm gonna super glue them or something like that. Okay, so the next thing is to drill and tap in here. Yeah guys, so I drilled and tapped both of them. One of these I drilled from this end and it missed the hole there, so what I had to do, I had to put one on the side there like this, and I found that this was better on the side, easier for me, so I did the other one the same now. So yeah, so this is the one that the hole missed. This is the one the hole missed, and that side looks very good indeed. So yeah, that's that done.